Okay, let's work through the end of 8-2. You can also divide rational expressions. Remember, dividing by a fraction, you multiply it by its reciprocal. Okay, here we have division of fractions, 1/2 divided by 3/4. The reciprocal, it's the same as multiplication of the second fraction's reciprocal. Okay, as you see here, they simplified, reduced, and then multiplied across. So let's try a few. Multiplication. I'm going to rewrite the problem and make it, this is currently division. I'm going to rewrite the problem and make it multiplication. Multiply, I have 15 on the bottom, and 8y to the 5th on top. Okay, let's reduce. And remember, we reduce up and down and crossways. Okay, I've got the 5 and the 15. 5 goes into 5 once, 5 goes into 15 3 times. And I have the 8 and the 8. They can just cancel out. Okay, if I look up and down here, I have 2 x's and 4 x's, so that reduces to 2. The y's can't do anything up and down. But if I look crossways, I have 2 y's here and 5 there, so that reduces to 3. Now I just multiply across. And I have, the numbers are gone, I have 2 x's and 3 y's over 3. Double check that you can't reduce anymore and you're done. Alright, let's try another one. Rewrite the problem. I'm going to factor and rewrite the problem at the same time. This gives me x squared minus 9 over, this factors 2, x minus 3, x minus 1, multiply. The top I can factor 2, x minus 4, x plus 4, it's the difference of squares, over, I can take out an x squared, and I'm left with x squared plus 2x minus 8. Let's see if I can factor any further. Let me change colors. This one right here will factor again. I have x plus 3, x minus 3. Okay, this one's done, that one's done. This one I can go again though. This factors to x minus 4, no, x plus 4, x minus 2. Okay, let's start reducing. Change colors again. Alright, I have an x minus 3 and an x minus 3. X plus 4, x plus 4, x squared, x squared. I don't see anything else. So I have an answer. I'm going to multiply straight across. X plus 3, x minus 4, over x minus 1, x minus 2. And double check, I can't reduce anymore. That's my final answer. Okay, why don't you try this one? Alright, there we go. I reduced first. Actually, first I flipped the second fraction to the reciprocal. I reduced and then I multiplied straight across. Try another one. This one needs factored at least once, so see what you can do. Okay, let's see if we can follow what I did. First I took this fraction, I factored the top. Okay, I showed you I used a, c, and b for this. 2x plus 1, x minus 4. Then I took the denominator, which is a difference of 2 squares, x plus 3, x minus 3. Second fraction, I flipped it, so this is now the denominator, and this is a difference of 2 squares, 2x minus 1, 2x plus 1. Took the denominator, it's now the numerator. I factored out a 4, had a polynomial, quadratic, and I took this and I did ACB and I factored it to this. Everything's factored, now I can cross off, reduce everything, and then multiply straight across. Alright, now we're going to learn how to solve simple rational equations. Okay, we're solving this. So the first thing we need to do when we solve is see if we can reduce anything first. I see a difference of two squares, x plus 5, x minus 5. Okay, now I can reduce a little bit. I can factor those or cross those out. I'm left with x plus 5 equals 14. Subtract 5, x equals 9. Okay, a lot of the same skills that we've been learning, but I just factored it, reduced it, and then solved for a variable. Okay, let's try another one. First we're going to factor the numerator. X minus 5, x plus 2 over x plus 2 equals 7. These cancel out. I'm left with x minus 5 equals 7. Add 5 to both sides. X equals 12. One more. You do it though. Push pause and try on your own. There we go. I factored the numerator, simplified, and solved for x. One more. Factor the numerator. I have the difference of two squares, but you go ahead and try it. Push pause. There we go. Pretty simple. That's all we have for today. We'll start 8-3 next.